everybody. I'm Danica on the coast. I am here at Waterscape today and I am anxious to show you my next condo tour. You can find me on the web at rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon. I'm here today to take you on tour of one of my wonderful Waterscape condos, Unit B520. This condo is a 1-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has bunks also, so it can sleep 4 to 6 people comfortably. I want to show you a couple of things. The first thing is the lovely view of Okaloosa Island. We're here on the outside of B520 now, so this is really not the view that we celebrate here, but I just wanted to show you what's happening around on the outside. We are within walking distance to several restaurants. The bay is just right across the street here, and you can walk all the way down Santa Rosa Island. It's 2 miles to the end, 2 miles back, so it's a great place to walk and ride your bike. I also want to point out that we are just a few units from the elevator. I think we're about 3 doors from the elevator, so you park down on the bottom, you come up on the elevators right there, and here you are to the unit. So let's go ahead inside and let me show you around. When you first come into this unit, you come into the master bedroom. Here we have a king-size bed. We have light blocking shades so that you can sleep completely in the dark in here. And it's just a nice, cozy space. It has its own master bathroom over here. I want to point out in our closet, we have 2 chairs and an umbrella in there. That is so if you don't want to use the beach service, you can take the chairs and the umbrella out of the closet. The beach service includes 2 chairs and an umbrella set up on the beach for you every day. We also include a kayak or a paddleboard for 1 hour every day of your stay. And you can also ask the beach service for a table. And all that is already included in your rental. However, the beach service does close at 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. depending on the time of year that you're here. So if they're closed and you want to sit outside and watch the sunset, or if you want to watch the fireworks that happen on our pier once a week in the summertime, you can just simply take the chairs right here out of the closet. Also, if you happen to be a snowbird, our beach service does not operate from November, well, really December, depending on which package you buy. But for sure, we do not have beach service December, January, and February. So again, the chairs are here for you. We also have a wagon in this closet so that you can haul all of your things down to the beach. I'm going to talk about the deck box that we have full of toys and stuff in just a little bit. We also have a pack and play and a high chair in the closet. So if you are coming with babies, we are ready for you too. This is our master bath. And in here we have a tub and shower combo. And here we have our air conditioner handler. There's a broom and a dustpan in here if you need it. Here is our water heater, so nothing in there of significance. But I do want to show you our beautiful front load washer and dryer. And then we have our second full bathroom in here. We have a shower and of course a toilet here. And then we have our kitchen. So our kitchens are stocked with everything that you need to feel comfortable here. We have both a Keurig and a regular coffee pot for you. So no matter how you like your morning brew, we're ready for you. We have a mixer, a crock pot, a toaster, a blender. We have literally everything. We have glass and plastic dishes. So if you want to go down to the pool and grill out, glass is not allowed, so you can take our plastic dishes down there with you. The grills by the pool are cleaned daily by our staff. They're gas grills. They're free to use. So it's super fun to get your things and go down for an evening with your family. Let your kids play in the pool while you grill. There are patio table and chairs down there. So everything is there for you. It's just a super fun way to spend some time together. We have all the pots and pans that you need. Skillets, mixing bowls, colanders. We have measuring cups, waffle maker. Literally everything that you could want in a kitchen is here. In this area, we have our bunk beds. So this is how we make a 1-bedroom functional for a small family. 2 kids here, mom and dad in the back. And if you want to bring grandma and grandpa or a couple extra friends, we do have a sofa bed for you as well. So we can technically sleep 6 people in this unit, and it's roomy and comfortable. Of course, this is our dining area here. It seats 4, and we also have dining for 4 outside on the patio. But this is our living space. I want to point out that one of the great things about this unit B520 is the beautiful view. So let's go outside and check it out. It's just a beautiful day in April right now. We have a small breeze going. The beach is marvelous. There are people down in the heated pool right now. So I want to point out some of our features, and we'll start from the back. Hold on one second. We have some jets flying over. One really cool feature about being here in Fort Walton is that we have our Air Force nearby, and these amazing, fast, awesome jets fly over us several times a day, usually in pairs. Sometimes it freaks people out a little bit, but we are not under attack. They are just practicing. It's just to watch them is just one of the really fun and unique things about our area. So up here at the end of the Waterscape property, you will see our splash pad, and there are kids going down the water slide right now. I see mom and dad bringing their little babies. And the cool thing about this area is the water is only 12 inches deep. So if your baby can walk, chances are really good that they can maneuver this area all by themselves, and you can actually sit down and rest, which is just great for mom and dad too. Beside the splash pad, we also have a covered play area. You can see it has some turf down there. That it provides a little shade for your kids in the hottest part of the day. It's just a nice little place for the young ones to run around and have some safe space of their own. Moving down from there, we have our heated pool, as I mentioned earlier. We have some swimmers in there today. The heated pool is maintained at 86 degrees. It's not maintained certain dates of the year. It's just heated when the temperature falls below 86. So it's about that time of year for our heated pool to maintain its own heat from the beautiful Florida sunshine. But it's just a great place that makes Waterscape a great place to visit year round. Down beyond that is our 0 entry pool, and we have lily pad courses down there, and there are no kids on the lily pad courses right now, which is most unusual because that is one of the favorite places for kids to hang around. They will rub the skin off their hands playing on those ropes. So I do recommend to my guests to bring a pair of gloves for your kids to wear while they are in the water so that they don't get blisters on their hands. Beyond that, which is hard to see from here, we have our lazy river. We also have our tiki hut and 2 hot tubs down there. The lazy river we have inner tubes provided, and it's just a super fun place for you to just lounge around and have some fun times together. And then beyond that, we have our beautiful beach. So all of the blue umbrellas, that is the beach service that I was mentioning earlier. The beach attendants set those sets up for you every day. You get 2 chairs and 1 umbrella complimentary. You will just need to tell them what unit number you're in, and they have me on the list for you. You can set your chairs and umbrella, the private ones that I have in my closet, you may set this up anywhere you like. And so you can actually have 4 seats and 2 umbrellas, if you bring extra adults and need a little extra space. I want to point out here on my patio, we have a lounger and we have a little chair. But over here we have a patio table with 4 seats so that you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, or dinner right here with your family. And then we have a deck box that's full of toys and floats for you to use. So you do not need to pack those necessarily unless there's something very specific that you want. I do not advertise what is in the deck boxes because it comes and goes. Things break, things get thrown away, people leave other things. So what's in there is constantly changing. So if there's something specific that you want, you may want to bring it, but chances are really good it's already in the deck box. I did not mention our mural that we have in this unit. We had a friend actually paint this mural. She hand painted it. This is not vinyl or anything. This is real true art right here in this condo, and it's the only thing like this in Waterscape. So it gives this unit a really cool vibe. And that's basically what we have going for you here in B520. I hope you enjoyed my tour today. I am Danica on the coast. My website is rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon.